Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. This is the first sighting of the volcano today. I finally can see it. It took me about 1 hour and a half to get to this hill where I am. Here you see the Mount Keilir, and there you see the volcano erupting right now. It's a pretty big mountain, as you see. It will take some time for me to walk to approach it closer, and I will make some videos and fly drone there. But I wanted to show you how I got here, where I am, and how I got here. So here you see Mount Keilir. I tried to drive to this green field. You can drive the car from Keflavik Highway and park there. But this road is closed. You can't do it now. But I thought to bike, and it's not possible because there is police there, and you can't even access that road. 24 hours there is police now. What I did, and anybody who wishes to do so, you can do so. I hiked from Vigdisarvellir, but road to Vigdisarvellir is also guarded. You can't drive there. So I hiked it from Seltún across this mountain. This, you see, across the mountain there is a lake and hot springs. So it's about 1.5 hour, maybe 1 hour hike to where I am now. I don't know. I didn't count the time, and you get here at least. It's not so difficult hike actually. Pretty nice, spectacular hike. You see what I see now. So we'll get closer and make some videos from the eruption side as it is. See, all lava is going south right now. So this is the volcano in surrounding areas. There you see Fagradalsfjall cone, which erupted 2021. So we're coming from the east because all the smoke is going south, you see, and we're coming from the east. It's like completely smoke-free area. If you come from here, there's really nothing. I don't understand why they close this trail and don't let people come to Vigdisarvellir, see the volcano at least from here so easily. It doesn't harm anybody, you know. No smokes, no pollution whatsoever here. Okay, they say there is going to be some eruption in Keilir, but we are not in Keilir, we're pretty far. At least they say so. But I see a lot of hot lava there, you see, in this sand valley. See, it's all running in the river towards the south, towards Meradal right now. So this is the volcano today on July 16th. Greetings from Iceland. Not a single soul here, but I saw a few hikers when I hiked it. Like I spoke to some people about this trail. There were about 10 cars parked at the Seltún Hot Springs, and from there I hiked it. But actually, I didn't even have to. It's possible to drive to Vigdisarvellir from Kristofik Church. I think so. I'm not sure, but I think so. And you can just come here on the hill. It's so easy. I mean, anyway, talk to you later.